Tired of dealing with hair fall and damaged hair? Dull hair takes the charm out of your entire appearance. It is necessary to care for your hair just how you care for your body and skin. There are numerous products out there that promise to do what's best for your hair, but most of them don't meet our expectations. Kerahealth is the ultimate hair care brand that is affordable and efficient at the same time. Let's find out all about it. Are you looking for a natural hair care line that will make your hair look gorgeous and stunning? Look no further than Kerahealth. This unique company offers a range of products that are specifically designed to nourish and protect your hair. We had the opportunity to try out some of their best-selling items, and we were absolutely blown away by the results. Not only did our hair feel softer and silkier, but it also looked more voluminous and healthy. Plus, using Kerahealth products is incredibly affordable. What is Kerahealth? Kerahealth is the perfect blend of science and nature carefully crafted into making the best hair care products for you. High-quality French ingredients are used that are clinically tested and formulated in an FDA-approved facility to create the best quality products and nutraceutical supplements. The main benefits of using Kerahealth products include softer, silkier hair, more voluminous and healthy-looking hair, and affordable pricing. We recommend the products of Kerahealth for alopecia. Who is it for? If you are constantly dealing with hair thinning, hair loss, and damaged and dull hair, this is the product for you. Carefully formulated with the best quality ingredients, Kerahealth will make your hair look shiny and beautiful, stimulate hair growth, and will repair damaged hair. It is the perfect solution to all your hair-related queries. Kerahealth products have the following benefits and features. Reduction in hair loss. Stimulation of hair growth at a cellular level. Increase hair strength and density. Increase in hair brightness and sheen. The ingredients are naturally sourced and clinically tested. Lactose-free. Trans fat-free. Powerful antioxidants. Immunity-boosting ingredients. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cell aging benefits. Zero drugs or hormones. Improves prostate health. Kerahealth Supplement, Hair Women. One of the most popular products of the Kerahealth hair supplements is also known as Kerahealth Vitamins. Visibly fuller, healthier hair. Hair loss is alleviated, hair growth is stimulated, and strength is increased. Kerahealth Women is drug-free, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and stress support is all included in this award-winning solution. The beauty benefits of Kerahealth Supplement are: hair loss is decreased. Stimulate dormant hair follicles to growth. Assists in the acceleration of hair development. Stronger and brighter hair. Kerahealth Shampoo, Follicle Hero Shampoo. Helps to strengthen and repair your hair, help to promote hair growth. This shampoo also contains an exclusive Kerahealth complex, which helps to revitalize and restore your hair's natural moisture balance. Plus, it's gentle enough for daily use and is safe for all hair types. Results on the hair scalp and shaft will be apparent from the first usage. Results on hair thinning and density may be observed after 1 month of use, but optimal effects can only be achieved if you use it for a minimum of 3 months. The beauty benefits of Kerahealth shampoo are: hair loss is reduced. Scalp exfoliation for the sensitive scalp. Roots to tips, the shampoo has a gentle cleaning and strengthening effect. Hair growth stimulation. To get this great product or read a real product review, click on the link in the description. Kerahealth Conditioner, Follicle Hero Conditioner. For thicker, coarser hair. Helps to reduce hair loss and increase hair strand strength and thickness by cleansing the scalp and hair gently. Daily usage recommended. The beauty benefits are: hair loss is significantly decreased. Nourish and strengthen the hair follicles. Improve the protein content of your hair shaft. Hair strength and color brightness improve. To learn more, click on the link in the description to read a real review of this product and get it from the official website of the product. Kerahealth Mask, Follicle Hero Hair Reform. This intensively moisturizing and strengthening formula is designed to promote hair growth and repair. Follicle Hero Hair Reform is a novel roots-to-tips intensive hair treatment. The formulation includes nourishing hyaluronic acid, plant extracts, and hydrolyzed keratin for optimum nutrition and strength. Natural oils, silk proteins, and natural cellulose-derived polymers are used to repair damaged hair fibers, ensuring that it is left looking and feeling softer, smoother, and shinier. Recommended using once a week. The beauty benefits are: reduce hair loss. Hair regeneration is restored. Moisturize and balance the scalp. Hair bonds that have been damaged can be repaired. Rebuild damaged hair strands. Color-treated or heat-styled hair that has been dormant may be revived. Restores shine. To learn more, click on the link in the description to read a real review of this product and get it from the official website of the product. Kerahealth Serum, Follicle Hero Grows Strong. This serum adds volume, luster, and texture to your hair. It also helps prevent hair loss and promotes hair strand strength and thickness. Recommended for daily use. This is a leave-in hair serum that penetrates and moisturizes hair from the roots to the tips. Naturally sourced, drug and paraben-free. The patented Follicle Hero cucumber and green tea fragrance enriches your hair, leaving it smooth, healthy, vibrant, and smelling wonderful. Let's get to know some of the benefits of this distinctive product. Hair loss will effectively be reduced. Growth is regenerated. Scalp health. Hair shaft damage is repaired. Hair becomes fuller and more textured. Hair protection that is excellent for pre-styling. To learn more, click on the link in the description to read a real review of this product and get it from the official website of the product. Now let's answer the most questions that have been sent to us about Kerahealth. Are there any Kerahealth side effects? Well, Kerahealth is a dietary supplement that contains natural elements. However, Kerahealth is not advised for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. When will I see the results? Clients have reported seeing results in as little as a month, while it is recommended to use the products for at least 3 months to see visible results. As you continue to use it for 6+ months, you will see your hair growing stronger, faster, and shinier. Does Kerahealth contain gluten or lactose? No, Kerahealth does not contain gluten or lactose, so you can consume Kerahealth even if you are gluten or lactose intolerant. Does Kerahealth contain any allergens? No. It does not contain soy, eggs, dairy, gluten, milk, peanuts, shellfish, tree nuts, wheat, yeast, artificial flavors, or artificial colors. Is Kerahealth safe? Yes. Kerahealth is natural and 100% drug-free. Kerahealth is the one solution to all your hair-related problems. Keep on using your Kerahealth products consistently to see results. It also improves your health and reduces stress. You can finally get the shiny and lustrous locks that you've long been dreaming about. To learn more, click on the link in the description to read a real review of Kerahealth products and get them from the official website.